my mind which way to go. Cruising Highway 50, looking for a real good time. I hitchhiking sweetie on the side of the road. She says going my way. I said, honey, you're in luck. Get on, hold tight, and shut up. Blue sky shining up above. Wind keeps blowing faster through my hair. I don't really know where I'm going, but baby, you're in luck. So get on, hold tight, and shut up.
Oh yeah, my regime is getting my bike done. Right now it's completely apart.
You were telling us earlier that yeah, it's completely apart. So you got a little work to do.
Yeah, we'll have it together in a month or so.
In a month or so.
Yep.
So how are you going to get it back there?
We're actually gonna. There's 4 of us running as a team. We have yet to name the team in a sport vehicle and trailer.
Okay, good. So we got some more riding to do here today in Northern California.
Central California.
Central California. Oh, okay, that's right. Well, see, us Northerners sometimes incorporate this as part of our territory too.
There you go. But we won't hold that against you.
Anyway, beautiful riding country. Thank you, Mike.
Good enough. Thank you.
Okay.
Take care.
Blue sky shining up above. Wind keeps blowing faster through my hair. I don't really know where I'm going, but baby, you're in love. So get on, hold tight, and shut up.
Well, the toughest thing is 200 miles a day for 2 weeks.
The toughest thing will be to slow these things down because we're setting them up so they'll run about 115, 20 miles an hour.
That's right. Well, I think the toughest thing is going to be staying awake. No, endurance and keeping the bike running all the time. Our friend says 78 bikes are going to finish at start and none are going to finish.
The weather will be a factor too, really. Yeah, I think if it rains and it's blowy, that'll be tough in the deserts too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And coming down the Cajon Pass with no brakes.
The final day, yeah, with everything worn out.
Yeah. Hey, my name's Pete Young. I'm Cannonball rider number 36. I'll be riding a 1913 Premier single-cylinder 500cc motorcycle made in England.
Cool. Is it here?
It is. It's right over here. It's the one with the silver and red tank. It's got a belt drive, 3-speed in the rear hub. It's a side valve motor, the Brown & Barlow carburetor.
So yesterday, just on kind of like these test rides, you were riding something else and you were having to fix it all the time. Tell me what that was.
Well, I was riding my 16 Excelsior. Had a little trouble with the clutch coming loose on its taper on the main shaft. Not a big issue, but did stop me a couple of times. I had to stop and tighten things up. These old bikes, they break down pretty regularly, but that's half the fun also. Little roadside maintenance or adjustments.
So what do you like about this one especially, or what's its notable features that you like to bring up?
The thing I like about the Premier is it's very primitive. It has some very interesting engineering, just like the pedal bicycles of the time, but with a motor put where the pedals belong. You can see the evolution of a pedal bicycle to a Premier to something like this or that, where it really turned into a motorcycle. But at this point, it was still just a slightly glorified motor bicycle. It has a lot of things, like I said, to keep you busy. It has little levers where you can adjust the amount of air or the amount of gas that goes into the carburetor. You can adjust the timing. You have to manually pump the oil into the motor or it'll seize. You just have to keep your wits about you while riding. Demands a lot of attention.
Right.
Okay, so tell me that.
Yeah, hi, I'm Fred Lang, and I'm doing a 15 Harley for the Cannonball run, which I can't wait to start here as soon as possible. I just finished my bike, but I still had some bugs to work out of it, and I injured my knee in the process of getting it running. So unfortunately, it's not here today, but I will have it on the road and be riding it next week.
Speed signs is a must. Well, hey, little mama, hold tight to your daddy. If it wasn't for us, the fast lane would rust. If it wasn't for us, the fast lane would rust. If it wasn't for us, the fast lane would rust. Running late, cause we're always on the go. Just gotta gas up one more time till we make it to the show. Well and down is a diesel plow, now we caught up to our bus. Well, they left at 9 and we left at 5. If it wasn't for us, the fast lane would rust. Wasn't for us, the fast lane would rust. If it wasn't for us, the fast lane would rust. Tommy, pick that guitar now. Sidestep the clutch. If it wasn't for us, the fast lane would rust. Wasn't for us, the fast lane would rust. If it wasn't for us, the fast lane would rust. Don't slow down while we pass this town. Rollers going round. So brother, don't slow down. If it wasn't for us, the fast lane would rust. If it wasn't for us, the fast lane would rust. If it wasn't for us, the fast lane would rust. If it wasn't for us, the fast lane would rust.